Hi guys. I was gonna live stream, but it didn't let
Alright, let's
me.
walk this way.
So, yeah.
Hold on, wait. Put your feet in.
Me and my cousin we're taking a walk. So,
Cause she stayed the night at my house, and we're just forward, and my parents aren't home. So.
Yeah, home alone basically.
Ding dong ditch.
We should do ding dong ditch. Comment down below if you think that we should do ding dong ditch on any people in this neighborhood. Good. Because I actually haven't did ding dong ditch on my channel, so it's kind of different. Oh. Okay, so yeah, we're just walking as can be. Trying to get that old creepy man on the plate. Oh, he's smoking, that's why.
Well, we can do that house.
But they'll spot
Or
us.
we could do that house. Or this house.
They'll spot us easily because we're the only kids out here.
Not if we go back there. Not if we go in the back door.
When we go out, they take off our shoes and run. Well, oh my gosh. Guys, we're actually about to do ding dong ditch. No, it wasn't my idea to do ding dong ditch after watching his sister and mom, my other sister. It wasn't my fault. Okay, so. Oh God! She actually rung the doorbell, guys! She actually rung it! I'm so confident. That's her! Did someone show up at the door?
And I open it.
Guys, she actually did it. Woo.